you ready? Where's the entrance? It's right here. Here we go. Our fast pass for Flight of Passage. We're about to get on Flight of Passage. We're in the boarding area. The wait is 150 minutes. How
Attention visitors.
Are you?
You're about to fly on a Banshee high above Pandora.
Mine is blown.
Prepare pressure doors.
Systems ready.
Woo! How hype. We're the only ones in here right now. Who's on 15? A ghost.
We got new drivers heading into the GM.
But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
We're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. To get you flying on a Banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar.
And fly.
And fly.
I did that short.
I'm a match. You're a match. I'm just Gabby. Come on, Gabby. You hope for
There we go.
All right. You've all been matched with avatars.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi, flying on the back of an Ikran, or as we call it, a Banshee. To the Na'vi, connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni-Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you. Moments later, you'll begin your flight. A Na'vi guide will lead you out. You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora, but you might also face some of its greatest challenges. Some of this flight might be intense, but trust your guide and be brave. As the Na'vi say during this important rite of passage, Sibak Hope, rise to the challenge. Good luck.
All right, seats 1 through 8 on this side.
Throughout this entire experience, remain seated. Lean forward, holding on to the hand grips.
So we just came off Flight of Passage. It's honestly such a good ride. I think I like it more than Rise of the Resistance, but they're two very different rides. But anyway, it was about 150 minutes when we got on, but we had a fast pass, so we probably waited like 15 minutes, maybe not even that, maybe like 10. So right now, we're just sitting here for a little bit. We have a fast pass for the safari at 11:35, and it's currently 10:50, so we got some time to kill, but we'll probably like walk over to Africa and hang out over there before the fast pass, so then when the time comes, we're just right there. And then we have a fast pass for Everest at 12:35, and we're gonna go to Mr. Kamal's fries, because I want some seasoned fries so bad before I leave. So that's the plan. Then we're gonna go back to Magic Kingdom, and then back to Epcot, and then we're not gonna be in Disney parks anymore. I'm sad. We'll see. I don't know. Tomorrow we're going to Universal, but I kind of don't want to go. I kind of just want to buy a ticket for Disney, even though I have tickets for Universal. But I don't know. I just love this place. Cut that clip a little short because I went to go dance with the African dancers in Harambe, and then he called me up and they wanted to give us like a Harambe blessing, but this one over there was nowhere to be found, so I was blessed. It's time for the safari.
Again.
Time to go see animals again. It'll be cool to see like how different it is today from the last time we were here. So let's see if Z animals will make a difference. Are you hype?
Mad hype.
I took my sweater off, guys. It's a little warm today.
And guess who's carrying it? And her other sweater.
I brought two because I have my hoodie, and then if my hoodie's not warm enough, then I have a fleece to put over my hoodie for tonight.
Why would she tie it around her waist? You know what I mean? Like,
What's up, everybody? My name is Chelsea. I'll be your safari driver here today on the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. It was established in 1971 to protect the local wildlife. Raise your hand if this is your very first safari ever. Great, me too. Great, me too. Just kidding. If this is like twice, I think, it's gonna be fine. Please make sure everybody stays seated at all times, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. Stand. I will yell at you. Don't make me do that. If you have any little ones, please make sure they are staying seated on the lap or on the seat next to you at all times. They are not Simba. You are not Rafiki. Lion King's down the road. Not here. Okay? If you have any electronics, hats, glasses, cell phones, wallets, cameras, electronics, loved ones, cell phones, words are hard. Hang on to them tightly. If they fall from the truck, raise your right hand. I'll raise my left hand. We'll wave goodbye to them together. Be like Elsa and let them go. And the one up there is the Bondo. Now the okapi.
He's eating.
Were once believed to be a mythological creature, being the cross between a donkey, a zebra, and a giraffe. They actually weren't even discovered until 1901. No one could find them, but we found them. There they are. They have very similar facial structure as well as a very long tongue to the giraffe. Their tongue is so long that it can lick its own eyeball.
Wow.
Yeah, very cool. To your left, the Bondo, ghosts of the forest. They have white stripes to help them blend in with their surroundings. A lot of people think the way to tell them apart from each other is by their horns and if they're crossed or not. That's actually a myth. The way to tell males and females apart is by their coat color. The male Bondo's coat will darken with age, whereas the female's coat will stay the same throughout their entire life. Now they're being poached so much to the point of extinction that they're expected to be extinct within the next 2 years.
Wow.
They're getting exposed to too much sun. Kind of like they're being sunburnt, but they're not sunburnt. They're fine, I promise.
Ooh.
Hear that? That's the call of the hippo. Someone has summoned them. Hippos will grow to be 5,500 pounds. Baby hippos will be 85 pounds when they're born.
There's some in the water over
They
here.
can be submerged in the water.
Is there a hippo here? Oh, look.
And more hippos on to your left-hand side. Just make sure everybody stays seated for me, folks.
We're like beach whales.
Hang on to your cell phones. Don't want to drop them.
That's true. Oh, the
To your
crocodile.
left, now crocodiles. They're 20 feet long. They weigh approximately 500 pounds. They also eat half of their body weight in just one sitting. They're only going to do that about every 7 to 10 days, but they can eat a lot. The word giraffe in Swahili is twiga. So everybody say twiga.
Twiga.
There you go. You learned a new word today. Group of giraffes is called a tower, so we call a snare to giraffes the Tower of Terror. Thank you. I'll be here for the next 15 minutes. Some baby giraffes to your left.
Oh, look.
One of our babies did turn a year old this week. I don't know which one it is.
Oh, happy birthday, baby
What is
giraffe.
Other people can tell the giraffes apart. I haven't been here long enough to tell them apart from each other. So no, that's a big one, that's a small one.
Oh, wow.
Giraffes will be fully grown will be about 20 feet tall. The babies will be about 6 feet tall when they're born. They give birth standing up. So the first thing that they experience is a 6-foot drop to the ground. Now the wildebeest, they're from animals that are walking away. Wildebeest get their name from Afrikaans word, which does mean wild beast. They're also known as the gnu. The GNU, they make a noise that sounds like nar. Everybody try that. Yeah, great job, great job. Now we actually have the largest herd of wildebeest in all of human care. We are the only animals. To your left, a couple banjos over here. Banjos are the largest monkey species. Each of them is about 55 pounds when they're fully grown. Males and females will have colorful faces, whereas the males will have a colorful behind. It does like a colorful behind. Is about half the size of all the other elephants. Very easy to tell her apart. So you can actually see how much bigger that other elephant is. That's probably mom, because she likes to hang around mom. During the day, she can hang out with whoever she wants to in that female herd. At the end of the night, she does have to go back to mom, so mom knows she's safe throughout the night.
How long do they live?
Say that again?
How long do they live?
Live?
Yeah.
In captivity, it's about 65 years. In the wild, it's about 25 years. It's because they're being poached for their ivory tusks. We do have one solitary cheetah, though, so sometimes there's only one.
Look, another one laying down.
The ninth wonder of the world, friends, the backside of a rhino. But you'll see that cheetah over there as well.
Look at cheetah back there.
Now, the cheetah that was thought to going the fastest was going at 74 miles an hour. Then us humans.
Oh, wow, did you see that?
During the night. Male lion's mane can weigh up to 50 pounds. That's a lot of hair.
Sarabi!
Their roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. So if you hear in Africa towards the end of the night, you hear something that sounds like a lion, it's probably a lion roaring. I'm here in Harambe. We don't like to tell you goodbye because it's far too sad and far too final. We like to leave you with the word Kwaharini, which means to go well. So everybody on 3, say Kwaharini. 1, 2, 3.
Kwaharini.
Kwaharini, friends, go well and enjoy the rest of your day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
We are gonna raise our hands like this. We bless ourselves. Receive the blessings.
Thank you.
I see 10 kids.
We got blessed again. This time Ryan was actually there for it.
Down in Africa.
The guy was like, I see 10 kids.
And I was like, bruh.
We're going to get Mr. Kamal's fries yet again. Delish. Can I try one? Can I get a bite of your chicken dumplings? Thank you.
Have a good day.
Ooh. Let me tell you, these seasoned fries, they're so good. So we just finished our food at Mr. Kamal's seasoned fries. Really hit the spot. Those chicken dumplings were actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Wish they gave you more than just 3 though. You hear the screams from Everest? That's where we're headed. We have a fast pass in 5 minutes. Well, it starts in 5 minutes. And then we're heading out. Going back to the kingdom of magic. Any more monkeys out? Oh look! Now there's 2! Yay! Monkeys! They seem to be sleeping. Aww. We're going over here.
Go get that Yeti.
Yee yee! Yes.
Cool.
That's gonna be us. Good. We're in line for Expedition Everest. Well, in the Fast Pass line. It's kind of long. Not 50 minutes long like the standby line is, but kind of long for a Fast Pass. Like they got us looping around like outside. We're gonna request to sit in the front row so he can record on his GoPro.
Yes.
And I can actually use it because last time we recorded it was 4K. And my computer does not play back 4K because my processor isn't that strong.
1080 though.
1080 works just fine. I get a little scared to take my camera out. Like I want to record it, but like I'm nervous. Yay! Woo! Row 1! Here it comes. Boom.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure.
Destino and Epcot. Tower of Terror.
much.
It's leaning. Hurry up and lick it quick.
It's a power move right there. Hey, I'll see it this way. See?
So we're heading out of Animal Kingdom, but before we leave, we're stopping at 8 Spoon Cafe to get baked macaroni and cheese served with shrimp and sweet chili sauce. Wow. Delish. As Backpack says on Dora, yum 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 yum, delicioso. Oh my god, that looks delicious. Where should we go? Let's go by the fence where your dad is. Oh, they're cute. Yum.
Much yum.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to name him Adam. Adam the Anteater. Hello, Adam.
How his tail is so stiff.
Okay, see you later. And we are walking out of Animal Kingdom for the last time of this trip.
I want to talk about it. What do they say at the end of Safari?
Quaharini. Go well. See you soon, Animal Kingdom.